Welcome to our felt bag factory. Today, we're excited to take you on a behind-the-scenes tour of our production process. From cutting to sewing, quality control to packaging, we'll show you how our skilled team creates high-quality felt bags. First up, our state-of-the-art cutting machines ensure every piece of felt is cut to the exact dimensions required for each bag. Then, our experienced sewing team takes over, using their expertise to stitch each bag together with precision and care. But our commitment to quality doesn't end there. We have a rigorous quality control process to ensure every bag meets our high standards. We check for any defects or imperfections, making sure every bag that leaves our factory is flawless. Finally, we carefully package each bag, ready for shipping to customers around the world. Our felt bags are not only functional but also stylish and versatile, perfect for any occasion. Thank you for joining us on this tour of our felt bag factory. If you're in need of custom bags or bulk orders, we'd be happy to work with you. Contact us today to get started.